Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
Today we are doing an 80s makeup style.
Let me hold that closer. We wanted to try the Too Faced Then and Now palette, and I get to do an 80s look on Sally. So if you open it up, you can see it's actually 90s, but we're gonna do an 80s look because
she's old.
One, because I'm old, but two, I actually found my original Conair crimping set. If you can see that, that's the actual crimping set with all the different crimps and the looks and everything on the back. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but it's pretty cool. So I have convinced her that I get to do her makeup and her hair today. So in order to start this off,
how could you forget Miss Marsha? So we also have a lipstick by Too Faced that goes with their Then and Now line. And it is Marsha.
She's been dying to try this lipstick since the day we got it. She's been begging me to swatch it. Oh, there we go. I'm almost getting the hang of it. Oh, there you go. Thanks, lady. And
that's Marsha.
It has not been used yet. She's been begging me to swatch it. She's been begging me to wear it. I keep telling her no, not until this video.
Let me swatch it.
But today,
it's the day.
It's the day. In order to start, I wanted to have her look at some of the 80s pictures.
But before we jump into that, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so you never, ever, ever miss a video. And make sure to follow us on Instagram at SA Essentials as well. Let's jump into this video.
Okay. So I pulled up some 80s looks for you. And I will be posting them so you guys can see what we're looking at. So I was thinking maybe this one's a good one. Do you know who that is? That's Madonna. But look at
I was about to say prima Madonna.
No, that's actual Madonna. And look, she has like Marsha lipstick on. She's got the blue. So that's one look we could do. I love this one. We could total go glam for you, huh? Full glam. What do you think? They even had these gloves at Target the other day. We should have got them.
Yeah, but I already have my thumb hole jacket on.
Yeah, here is a very iconic
prima Madonna
80s style. You see that?
I just want to do like a triangle crimp.
You just wanted, well, I'm talking about the eyeshadow.
Oh.
Yeah, so just a lot of fun things that we can do.
Ha-ha! Cecilia time.
Well, you're not going to put on eyeliner. She has eyeliner.
She's like, she looks mad. She's just like.
This is Cyndi Lauper, not Cecilia time. That's Cyndi Lauper.
This is Cecilia time.
It's Cyndi Lauper.
Just, let's start with my hair.
Let's start with your hair.
Fast forward all
we will speed this up, and with the jump cuts and everything, you don't have to sit for umpteen hours, because if you've ever had to do hair in the 80s, it takes forever to crimp it. Now, one thing I did not get, which I am ashamed to say, is Aquanet. Aquanet was an 80s staple when it came to do hair. That's hairspray. It's a type of hairspray. And they actually still do make Aquanet. It's just not the iconic look. But don't worry, I do have an industrial sized can of hairspray, so we have enough to get it done. Oh, you'll see. Oh, you'll see. So without any further ado, let's get to this.
Okay, so the iron is heating up. And
it is still working. This is from 1988, and it is still working.
I don't know what she's so excited about. Oh my gosh,
we're almost done.
It's 20 years old and it still works.
Yeah, it's 20 years old and it still
20
works.
years old and it still works.
Just like me.
So we're going to crimp my hair, and then we're going to come back. This is what chicks looked like in the 80s.
Yep.
I feel bad for them.
Wow.
It was such a fashion faux pas.
Alright, hold on. We're gonna use my favorite, the Hangover setting spray.
I look like a clown.
Look at me. You're such a drama queen. You're so funny.
I'm scared to look in the mirror.
And the big reveal. Hold on, and ready? You ready for the big reveal?
No,
Pull your hair back just a little.
I don't want to see the makeup.
Welcome to the 80s. No, turn around, see. All the way around so everybody can see you. All the way around. There you go. So what do you think of your 80s look?
When can I get back to my time?
Wow, really?
I look like
I think you look fabulous.
a clown.
You look like what?
I look like an 80s clown.
You look like a
No,
clown.
I look like an 80s clown.
You look like an 80s clown. Well, there you have it. The palette I very much like. There's very little fallout. The pigment is really good. I did wet, as you can see, I did wet some of the bottom part so it would pop out a little bit more, but we really didn't have to wet the brushes that much to make it stand out. We did use the Angel Primer just so we could get a good color on it, but all in all, I really like this turquoise palette, and I'll probably be using it on myself.
She cheated.
What?
She used Bad Gal Bane. It did it in the 80s.
I always use the Bad Gal Bane. Alright, so get the closing mirror down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but the palette itself, the colors on the palette, what do you think? Should I let you do my makeup with that palette? I think that's a yes. So that will be one of our upcoming videos.
That's gonna be, so the then colors were like amazing.
And she will get to try out the now colors on me, and we'll do that on another video.
I'm gonna torture her.
The hair crimping, the crimper isn't super big. It's actually the original Conair Geometrics from 1988. And so you can interchange the different parts. You can do a triangle, a spiral, and we did the crimper on it. And the iron itself isn't super big, so it took quite a while even just to do this. And she has thick hair, so in order for it to really crimp, I would have probably had to have moosed it and held it for a long time and then hairsprayed it.
Anyway, well, see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram. All the information's down below.
I'm
And also
lonely.
use our affiliated link to Yes Oh Yes for the monthly beauty box that's going to be released in just a few, actually in probably a week. And you can use the code YOY for a 10% discount off of your first box. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.